Guys, I'm Ethan, and right now I'm building hardening concentration, and building this large domino. This will be a large in just a moment. The chain.
We gotta see something from this.
Oh yeah. Because it's like ceiling or roof. It's like a bridge actually. So like. If you want to see the numbers on the dominoes, you can do this.
Wait. I need to show it.
This is so tricky. I stick them with tape in me. I think it was maybe. Oh yes, it was in 2021 or something. It was in 2021.
The light.
I remember I put tape on this. I put tape.
In your other video.
Yes, I said that this. I watched the video so I can remember. So what I said in that video is that
it's double layer.
These are
triple layer. How many layers
these are from the 4 and then see these are 4 and then this 4 dominoes. There's supposed to be 1 domino, 4 dominoes, 9 dominoes, which is the other one, and the 16 dominoes, the biggest domino ever that I made. My life was yet tape, you know. It's very big also. It's very big compared to a domino. My gosh. 16 of them. Just layered out in a tiles format or something. So, I want to show you another thing. So,
it's difficult to be a camera woman.
Yeah. Let's do this. Something over here. In case you didn't know, I'm doing a stunt or something. Like some kind of, like a ridge. Some insect can walk over me and it's okay. I'm a very strong ridge. Bones are very strong.
Are we going to flip over
strong than steel. I remember that video when I was younger. I remember I watched it. It was about the bones and the joints, and it was very old. It was in my upper phone, one of my oldest phones I've ever had. So, I forgot which domino I need to place. So, I need to do this domino, not the other one that's too strong. So, let me do this. Yes, it's working.
Careful. Don't worry, there's camera.
Balance.
The light is not too strong in this angle.
I don't know if this can work, but
I'm trying as hard
as I can. Try to stay with this. I can stay with this. I can. Oh no. Okay, there. It's good. Oh yes, it's working. Good. So what I need to do instead is not this.
Oh my gosh, so careful.
This is so big. This is big already.
Yeah.
And else.
I'm gonna take it over and it.
No, I'm just even starting it out. I'm not even close. I'm just starting, sort of. I've been waiting to get some chain reaction. Like a very big domino nest. So, I don't know how do I do this part, but oh yes. I forgot. I had a great idea. Come popping up into my mind. Because of this, now I'm thinking. Let's do this one except I need to fix this domino. The worst thing again. Get this, a bit of this, the rest of this. domino. Why is there a capsule here? Sorry, that's the poly capsule. That it's edible. It's an edible sort of plastic for the capsule. It's edible. It's sort of plastic. It isn't. I know how fake it is. So let's see this. Oh, come on. I want it to be like the Dancing in Romance level. You didn't know that level had letters, so the dancing one can go through the letters.
Pause it for a while, please.
Why? Yeah.
Because I have to do it first.
I can't pause it in this tablet. This tablet is a different, brand of it. So I don't know how the camera works. I only know that you cannot pause it. Oy.
Oh.
Oh.
We're almost done.
Sort of. This is like the middle, right? See? It's like the middle.
Real small.
Okay. So I'm gonna name this now.
Just get the container. Could you get the whole container?
No, it's okay. I'm okay with this, right? It feels good. Oh. Good. tiny baby chihuahua looking face. Oh, he need dominoes. How do I get any?
Oh, even more. Even more. It's a bit
oh, what's this?
Just put it on the floor first.
In case this sounds familiar, to use the marble. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Right. Oh my gosh, yes. Everything is correct.
So beautiful, amazing.
Okay, so what I need to do is, because this is from there's because it's from this also means that there's something that should trigger it, like a beginning, for example. It needs to go in a loop. So what I need to do is, I don't see these bars are now. This is a bit serious. A bit tricky. In case you know how domino flows work. A 12 to a what? Did you say 12? Oh, 13 minutes. Oh my gosh. That's a very long video. I'm not watching it. You are watching it. In case you didn't know. So same as I just like watching my domino videos. They're just looking cool. I like doing things that I like. I like watching things that I do like. I like watching things that what I'm doing that I like. I like watching videos that I like. Get it? Lots of like.
Get it. This is so beautiful.
Oh, okay. I forgot that I accidentally put it. I didn't notice that there was a triangle that said sub to ASIN. Sub to me.
Yeah, you did that when you were younger. Yeah, you
Here,
did that when you were younger.
in case you didn't know, you can subscribe to my channel. Just press that red subscribe button and hit the like button. Maybe don't hit the like button. Maybe just kindly press the like button because other people need to use it. I got that from a Christian channel, Encounter TV. In case you did not know, he's a Christian and an evangelist, and he preaches a lot of live streams that are about more than 1 hour long. And you can watch his channel too. In case I did not mention, or you did not watch some of my videos, did you know that there's a lot of Christian channels that I know? David, DON, Christian, Alan Parr, channel by kids, what is it? Oh yeah.
Encounter TV.
I already said Encounter TV. I said and this other one, which oh yeah,
Off the curb.
yeah, I remember exactly what you said.
Say it.
And yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, and I remember another channel of, I mean, a Christian channel, Off the Curb, and another channel that is also Christian and that I like, and it's new to me. It's actually a different channel. You may know him. It looks like he's a bit popular, but his name is The Lion of Judah. As one of the Christian channels, the one that I know, told me about that. So I tried to visit his channel, and well, he sounds a bit old. So right now again, noise. Oh ho, I don't know why I say these words. Oh ho ho! I caught the domino just in time. That was great, actually.
I'm glad I took
Wow, that's
Amazing.
awesome. Even if it wasn't finished, sometimes things that can be an accident can sometimes be really awesome to watch.
Yeah, it's awesome to watch. We captured it in a video.
Yeah. And bye, guys. Woohoo! Even if it's not yet finished, it still looks good
looks
and all.
finished.
Yeah. Even though I need to connect it to here and tip this over, it's almost finished and it got tipped over, but it's okay. Bye, guys. Woohoo! Yay!